Hey everyone, ready to say goodbye to belly fat and unlock your inner superhero? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to shredding that stubborn belly fat. First things first, let's talk about the most important element in your battle against belly fat: nutrition. You can spend hours at the gym, but if you're not fueling your body properly, you won't see any results. Start by cutting out processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy snacks. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, colorful veggies, and healthy fats. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen. Now that you've got your nutrition in check, let's kick things up a notch with some badass workouts. You don't need to spend hours on the treadmill or do a million crunches to lose belly fat. Instead, focus on high-intensity interval training or height workouts that will torch calories and rev up your metabolism. Incorporate exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and kettlebell swings to really make those fat cells cry. You may not have superhuman powers, but you can definitely benefit from some quality shut-eye. Getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss, as lack of sleep can mess with your hormones and make it harder to shed belly fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night and watch those stubborn inches disappear. Stress is a silent killer when it comes to belly fat. When you're stressed out, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can lead to fat storage in the abdomen. Find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or just taking some time for yourself. Remember, a calm mind equals a flatter stomach. Water is your secret weapon in the battle against belly fat. Not only does it keep you hydrated and energized, but it also helps boost your metabolism and curb cravings. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and watch as that belly fat starts to disappear. Lastly, keep track of your progress like a boss. Take measurements, snap progress photos, and celebrate every small victory along the way. Losing belly fat takes time and consistency, so stay motivated and keep pushing forward. You've got this, superhero. Losing belly fat may not be easy, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve the superhero physique of your dreams. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your nutrition plan, crush your workouts, and stay determined. Before you know it, you'll be rocking those abs like a true badass. Now go out there and show that belly fat who's boss. Can you do it? Tell me about it in the comments, and remember to click the thumbs up to like and subscribe.